Isabella, welcome back to my channel. I am in my dream apartment right now and I'm gonna give you guys an empty-ish tour. I've already started moving my own kind of stuff in here and then I have movers coming tomorrow. So this is like the official tour. This is a dream apartment. It's in downtown Tampa, newly renovated. I'm the first one to live here since the renovation and I'm super excited to design it and give you guys the moving vlogs and all that fun stuff. So if you haven't seen my part 1 of this video, I did like a reason like why I'm moving from my old place because I literally have only been there for 11 months, not even a year. So if you guys want to see that, then I will link that down below. But let's get into this empty-ish apartment tour of the most like luxurious, dreamiest, beautiful apartment. Okay, so obviously you walk in, I have a smart lock, which is super nice. And then this is my AC unit, which we don't really touch. By the way, this is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, and it's 1,300 square feet. It's the biggest floor plan at this high rise that is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath. So you move over here and then you're in my half bathroom, which I love. This is perfect. So I have 3 toilets, which is great. A really cute pedestal sink and modern fixtures and everything. I really love it. And then you're onto this really huge, long hallway, which I love. My main reason for getting this apartment was for space. My dad's in a wheelchair, so it's good and spacious and like really accommodating for him. This first closet is going to be like my cleaning closet and stuff. So I'm just gonna put like cleaning supplies, and these are all like my extra stock items. So extra loofahs, shaving cream, gum, all that stuff. So, you know, we all have like an extra pile of stuff. So I put mine in like a little shoe organizer and it works perfectly for me. So obviously at my apartment now I have a stackable washer and dryer, which is not my personal jam. I mean, I dealt with it, but like I wanted something bigger for me and nicer. So I have an actual laundry room with, let me just disclose this, my washer and dryer tell you how long something's gonna be ready. So it'll be like 1 hour. Because before I would literally have my clock on at my old apartment and like time when something would be ready or not. So she's already being put to use, but these are super nice washer and dryers and I love the time on them. They just look really sleek. And then I'm gonna use this upper part for all that extra fun storage. And then on top of my washer and dryer, I'm gonna have my mom help me with like cute glass containers, bleach, and like, you know, downy palm beans and all that fun stuff. So everything can like look really pretty and aesthetic.
Did you say beans?
Are they not called beans? Vanilla beans.
They're beans.
Beans. Well, it looks like beans. Okay, just hold on. It does say vanilla bean for reference, but it is called bean. You got me there. So moving on to the beautiful hallway. She is beauty, she is great. So I have an extra closet right here, which I will use for, I don't know, like extra clothes, extra shoes. You guys know, it is good for me to have closets. I have 5 closets in this apartment. And honestly, if this was a condo, I would have bought it because it is literally my dream. It is a very much so like open, modern, kind of industrial vibe because you'll see a lot of open, what's it called, like cement everywhere. Industrial like cement vibes.
I forgot the word.
It's like unfinished, but like
concrete.
Concrete, yes. So like it's supposed to like look unfinished, like really industrial and kind of like cute. So moving into the main space, this is what I was talking about when I talked about concrete. I love this little big slab of concrete. I love it. She's cute. She's cool. She adds some good vibes to this apartment. Over here you have my coffee bar, which I'm sure a lot of people could use this as a desk. It's a little too high, so I was like, let me create a super cute coffee bar. So I have my Nespresso, my snag, and all the goods, which I still have to organize, of course. My movers come tomorrow, so tomorrow's like the big moving day. Moving on to my pantry, it's up here. My apartment gave me like a cute like little welcome bag with snacks and goodies, so I have that here. I honestly like this pantry a lot because I feel like I'm able to kind of organize things better and not have like too much extra stuff. So I enjoy this a lot. Okay, now we're moving on to the beautiful kitchen. She is perfect. I know she's a little messy right now, but all of the cabinets are gonna be a white high gloss finish with really nice fixtures. I love it. Like, guys, look at this. Oh, so beautiful. And I love this like big silverware drawer right here. I love it. It's perfect. And then I have like this space for my pots and pans. I love the divider down here. Like that's like super, super helpful. Of course, the first thing I wanted to do when I got this apartment was put out all my pink smegs. So I have her kind of like lined up around the whole place. Brand new appliances. I have an air fryer actually built into my oven down here, which is super cool. Love that. And I love how the knobs are down here. I personally prefer like all the stuff like right like this, either on the side or right here instead of up there. It's just like my personal preference. And then we have my microwave right here. Nothing you guys haven't seen before. And then of course more storage along the areas over here. Another really good selling point on this apartment for me was the beautiful sink. It's like the industrial big sink with the gooseneck faucet. I love this. So look at this sink, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. And I just like love that I can finally like, I don't know, it's good. And then I have like good water pressure too. So we love that. It is absolutely beautiful. And actually we are having hurricane, what's her name? Or actually tropical storm.
Not Katrina.
Not Katrina, no.
Starts with a
We have some sort of tropical storm right now, so of course I think it's like super windy.
Nina?
I'm in a higher apartment, so I'm on a really high floor. So you can hear the wind very well. It's kind of a little scary. So, oh yeah, I have a dishwasher too, brand new, and I really like this one a lot. It's super nice, very sturdy looking. She's cute, she's great. Moving on to this corner.
Oh, you forgot the fridge.
Oh yeah, duh.
Shoot.
Well gosh, I have a beautiful fridge, you guys. It is a French door refrigerator, and it's brand new, never used. And she's great. I'm gonna put like a whole drink kind of thing up here from Amazon where you like pull the drinks out and like replenish this one. And then I have all these like cool kind of gadgets right here, tons of storage. And I really love my freezer as well because I have this beautiful little catching tray moment and just so much storage. I personally always loved a fridge that like opens like this or like one big one. So really a big fan of this one. Okay, so now we can move on to my other space. This is my bar cart. Also the first things I brought here. There was no need to pack up a bunch of alcohol and take it. So I was like, okay, I'll just do it myself and wait for the movers. And now we're moving on to the glorious, glorious living room space. This is beautiful. My couch is white, of course, so it's gonna be sectional. It's gonna sit here, I have my TV mounted, a huge Anthropology floor-to-ceiling mirror right here, and then I'll put my desk right here and a beautiful white Christmas tree. And also, again, I love like the unfinished kind of look of this apartment, like look at the ceilings. I love this vibe. It is very modern to me, and I just personally, I'm a big fan of it. And then, yeah, so this is like a huge space. I love it so much. And then I'm actually going to take garland with lights and drop it around this for Christmas. So it's like really festive and cute. I love that idea. So now we're gonna go this way into the guest wing. This is where I have my guests stay and everything. Super cool. Everything is controlled by a remote, which I love when you're lazy and you don't want to turn off the light at night or the fan. You have a remote that you can keep beside your bed. And here we are. Obviously, this whole apartment is floor-to-ceiling windows in every single room. So that's pretty nice. I'm gonna put a dresser here for the guests, and then my Peloton is gonna go right here, and I can just pedal looking at the city and being super inspired. I have another closet here. This is the fourth one. Great, this is gonna be my Lululemon closet with every single thing I own from Lulu. And now we're gonna get into the guest bathroom, and beautiful, love the countertops, all white, love the fixtures. Everything is also soft close, so beautiful. I also love all the hooks, and yeah, it's a really good, spacious guest bathroom. And now what you've been waiting for is the master. All right, now moving on to the master. Here we are. Also, everything is controlled by this, which is nice still. Come on in, come on in. I love all like the little plugs I have right here that are super nice that you just like lift up and you can plug stuff in. Like that is so clutch. Of course, we have the unfinished cement look in here. It is all 12 inches throughout the whole building, so you rarely get noise complaints, which I love. I'm gonna stick my bed right here, my dresser, my nightstand, and kind of get a super cozy and super cute room. Okay, moving into the best thing in the world is my master bath. I have 2 sinks. Everything is again soft close, which is amazing. And then we have my toilets right here. I love this, like in a little nook. That's really helpful. And then I also love my big bath. And something I've always wanted is a glass shower door, and I got that. So here is my glass shower door, and you walk in, and I have so much space in here. And something I didn't have at my old apartment was somewhere to put my foot when I would shave. know I can do that gracefully and peacefully. And for the best part is my California closet. It is a built-in custom closet. It is one of the only ones in this apartment complex, and she's perfect. Okay guys, here we are. Oh my God, I love her. I have all these beautiful drawers. I'm gonna put like my perfumes here, all my shoes, start putting purses up here, and then all throughout the top. Of course, we got some long dresses here and just so much goodness happening around here. Like this closet is literally a dream. I have like another cool light fixture up there, really modern, very beautiful and bright, which is a big plus. Alrighty guys, that's it for this empty-ish apartment tour of my dream apartment living in downtown Tampa. Of course, I'm not gonna disclose where I live, but yeah, I'm glad I at least got to show you guys where I'm gonna be living for the next few years. If you guys want to see more moving content, then be sure to subscribe and click that bell. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah. Bye guys!